amazing people, how you all doing? If it's your first time coming across my video, please don't make it your last. Please do well by subscribing, liking and commenting. So guys, here all we do is to bring beautiful hairstyles, trendy hairstyles for you, to any idea for kids, for men, hairstyles idea. That's what we do here. Please don't make it your last and enjoy the video. So guys, today I bring to you how to coil your hair, because I noticed there is one of my comment section where I brought something similar of this style. Someone was asking me how to achieve the coiling, because you don't need to go buy and